Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, magja-general cleaning kami, buong school magwa-wash out kami dahil malapit na ang pasukan kaya nililinis na namin lahat ang mga items ng nursery at saka nag-wash out na din kami dito guys sa buong labas ng school namin. Kaya samahan nyo ko guys and don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking susunod pang mga video. And thank you guys, sana magustuhan nyo guys ang buhay ng OFW school work. Yan guys.
Eyes smile. Oh, how I wish that you could be here now in this life. We are together, and I.
Ginagawa namin guys, nililinis namin yan lahat ng mga item kasi malapit ng pasukan. At ayan guys, ayan si Lady Boss, ayan si Christine, ayan pa nililinis namin lahat at dito sa labas. Ito na guys yung day 2 naming pagwa-wash out. Samahan nyo kami guys. Kailangan maganda ka dyan. O sige, palitin ko muna.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down. Yeah, I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down to fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
May paritin! May paritin!
get to me. Say what you wanna say, or take it all away, but I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. There is no barricade.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na si Ate.
Can tear
Linis na naman kami dito. Day 3, workbook na naman tayo. Yan guys. So. Ayaw mo yun, tag 5,000 kayo monthly. Oh, sure. Naikot na namin, guys.